Android phones don't actually have a traditional hidden contacts feature. When contacts appear to be missing, it's usually due to sync settings, account visibility, or app specific configurations. First, let's clear up a common misconception. There's no secret hiding place for contacts in Android. Instead, contacts become invisible due to three main reasons that we can easily fix. There are three main methods to find your missing contacts. Let's explore each one with visual examples from actual Android interfaces. Method 1 involves checking your account sync settings. This is where Google, Samsung, and other accounts sync their contacts. Let's see how to access these settings. Method 2 focuses on contact visibility settings within your Contacts app. Sometimes contacts are filtered out or grouped in ways that make them appear hidden. Method 3 involves checking app-specific contact lists. Apps like WhatsApp and Signal maintain their own contact databases that might show contacts not visible in your main Contacts app. These three methods cover the most common reasons why contacts appear to be missing on Android devices. In the next section, we'll walk through each method step by step to help you recover your missing contacts. Now we'll walk through each method step by step to recover your missing contacts. We'll cover three main approaches: account sync settings, contacts display options, and app permissions. Method 1. Check your Google account sync settings. This ensures your contacts are actively syncing with your Google account. First, open your device settings and navigate to Accounts. Look for your Google account in the list. Once in your Google account settings, make sure Contact Sync is enabled. Toggle it off and on again to refresh the sync if needed. Method 2. Check your contacts display settings. Sometimes contacts are hidden rather than missing. Open your Contacts app and look for the menu button, usually three dots or lines. Tap on it to access the settings. Find the Contacts to Display option. This is where you can choose which contact accounts are visible in your contacts list. Method 3. Check individual app permissions. Apps like WhatsApp and Signal need contact access to show your contacts within their interface. For WhatsApp, go to your device settings, find Apps, then WhatsApp, and check the permissions. Make sure Contacts permission is enabled. For Signal and other messaging apps, you may see permission requests when you first open them. Always grant contact access when prompted. After making these changes, restart your Contacts app or your entire device to ensure all updates take effect properly. If your contacts are still missing after trying these methods, they may have been accidentally deleted and will require a different recovery process using backups or cloud services.